Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Jojo.
And it's me, Shutzpa.
Are you ready for love?
Always.
Always.
Especially when it's coming from like Tala Yunus and Nabil Akbar featuring Tala Yunus. But yes.
Yeah. So they dropped this a few hours before I dropped 100 bars ka reaction. And
ये जो planning है
है ही
बहुत
नहीं,
ही
कुछ बोलने
amazing
को ही
है.
नहीं है.
Unplanned planning unplanned. ये कैसे हो रहा है? जो ये seriously कैसे हो रहा है? Like मतलब this is like अब तो ये मतलब it's even gone beyond reason, gone beyond like how is it happening? I have no words for this.
I don't know, man.
What was the second you got to know about it? What was your reaction?
My reaction
Like, I
was,
wanna know,
what?
like,
What the hell? That's my reaction every time it happens. Because people
Yeah,
don't
like-
wait. As soon as it drops, I get DMs. They don't wait.
Yeah, but
It's just like, ha ha
don't
ha
you think
ha.
it's strange? But it's strange, right? Like, how is this happening?
There are some things in the universe you must just not try to understand.
No, I just want to keep letting it happen. Like whatever is going on,
Yeah.
I'm loving it.
They're better
Yeah.
as mysteries only. So
Yeah.
अब हम
I
गाना
live for
सुनते
such
हैं.
mysteries. ऐसे connections
That's
बहुत
true.
amazing होते हैं. Let's go for it.
This one is mix master produced by Jokhe on Ice. It's written and performed by Nabil and Tala Yunus, and it's from Nabil's mixtape For Love. Final track from the mixtape, track number 6. So let's just do it. Chalo. Lots of
Yes.
requests have come. Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
मैं लिखता सच जो भी जिंदगी में देखा हमने कम अकल करते नकल खुद को मेरे जैसा समझे एक्टिंग टफ खाली बातें करें बड़ी बड़ी अब मेरी वापसी से रैपरों की जली पड़ी दे जस्ट वांना पीस तभी इनकी फटी पड़ी मैं तेरा बुरा वक्त देख ले तू घड़ी बड़ी महंगे पड़ेंगे ये पंगे बिला वजह के तू देख तुझसे पहले ऐसे कितनों की बलि चढ़ी आ दिखाऊं तुझे कैसे होते हाथ से एक और खून शायद लिखा मेरे हाथ से चल अब दिखाना किधर गई वो तेरी अकड़ अगली बार ये सवाल मैं पूछूंगा तेरी लाश से स्टे इन योर लेन वरना जाएगा तू ठोक Ain't no such things like halfway crooks रात 2:30 बजे नशे में बैठा हुआ धो चोटे खाई मैंने काफी तभी सीखा काफी कुछ ज्यादा था नहीं पास अपना शुरू से खाली ग्लास ऊपर से सर पे था नहीं बाप मैं घर से बाहर सारी रात काफी जिम्मेदारी कैसे लौटू घर में खाली हाल आ रहा मुझको माजी याद जो कर चुके हम दफन अंडरग्राउंड अंडर कवर मुझको सुने तेरी लवर मैं किधर किसके साथ तुझे थोड़ी भी नहीं खबर तेरी जगह तेरा शहर फिर भी नहीं सकता तू पकड़ पूरे 6 फीट डीप तेरी खोद दूंगा कबर सबको लगेगा मरा तू मौत हादसा दी डोंट नीड नो वेपन तेरे लिए तो मेरे हाथ काफी बेशक गरीब पर तू जो ढूंढे मेरे पास चाबी मैं वो फकीर जिससे झुके मिले बादशाह भी I do it for love जो मुझे कभी मिला नहीं I do it for love मुझे किसी से कोई गिला नहीं I do it for love जब तक चले मेरी nerves which I'm loyal to the game मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं I do it for love yeah I do it for love yeah I do it for love Yeah, bitch, I'm loyal to the game. मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं
कलम बंदूक के सब वाकिफ है मेरे निशाने नहीं चूकते भागे नहीं लूट के एक दिन में लगा देते करियर में नुकते निकट वे घूट फिर वो लड़के भी छोड़े जो आ जाते कुट कर सिटी है मैड हम कैसे हो गुड फिर नहीं यहाँ तक किसी की हम चुप कर लिखूं एक रात में जो वो तू लिख के दिखा दे 1 साल ले ब्रो फंसू ना किसी भी जाल में ओ नजर है मेरी हर चाल पे ब्रो मैं खाना बदोश ऊपर की सोच हम करेंगे शोज ये बनेंगे गोस्ट नहीं करूंगा डिस मैं करूंगा रोस्ट तू करेगा स्नेच तो मरेगा दोस्त हाथ बांध तेरे लिए मेरे यारी काफी हर गाने पे आता मैं काम काजी खाम खाए लड़के आके टांग अड़ाते गांड बचा ले या तो बेटे जान बचा ले ये तो गांडू साले आके बाल बना रहे अभी हड बिलौड़े के हम चांद पे जा रहे फूकू सेट पे अपने काम पे चौड़े मेरी हाइट और मेरी लाइफ एक दौड़ है क्लिक क्लैक बूम आई डोंट नीड टैटूज स्प्लिट दैट ट्रू रियल हिप हॉप फायर इन द बूथ शायरी लिखूं डायरी भरूं हर वर्ड सब फायरी लिखूं आई एम द प्रोडिजी दिस इज माय प्रॉपर्टी दिल में जगह बड़ी मेरी मोनोपोली हिप हॉप में खबर नहीं मिलनी दगा बड़ी पुल अप ऑन यू विद अ 9 मिलीमीटर मेरे शूटर सारे शेर तेरे लौंडे सारे गीदड़ हर देसी रैपर को इंस्पायर करें जिगर रखी फिंगर ऑन द ट्रिगर अपनी पिक्चर होती बिगर खा लें और धेड़ दें नकलियों को भेड़ दें पक्के हम जबान के ये नाम बना स्टेज नेम क्या अंडरग्राउंड और क्या मेन स्ट्रीम जस्ट एन आर्टिस्ट डूइंग माय थिंग दिस माय डे ड्रीम तो लो से वाकिफ तो क्यों करने दे फिर छानबीन वक्त बदलता साथ बदले इंसान भी रैप को पहचान दिए हाजिर है ये जान भी ढूंढ के दिखा दे साले गोली मेरे नाम की
I do it for love जो मुझे कभी मिला नहीं I do it for love मुझे किसी से कोई गिला नहीं I do it for love जब तक चले मेरी nerves which I'm loyal to the game मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं I do it for love yeah I do it for love yeah I do it for love Yeah bitch I'm loyal to the game, मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं। पहली बात के गद्दारी की है सजा भारी, दूसरी बात के गुलामी नहीं है वफादारी। तू भला करेगा तो होगा तेरा भला भी, तू आज मेहनत करेगा कल होगी तेरी जगह भी। है पास इतने रास पूरा कांप जाए कराची, कलाम सा इंसान पूरा जानता है कराची। नहीं करना चाहता साबित मेरा हर गली में वाकिफ, बिना ताज चले रात जैसे बाप का है कराची। है मुझको फिक्र तेरी शायद तुझको लगता नहीं, शॉर्टी वाना बी अ थक बेटा तेरे बस का नहीं। जिस्म से निकले रूह तो फिर दोबारा डलती नहीं, तो गलती से भी ऐसी कभी करना तुम फिर गलती नहीं। ये कहते मुझको संगी सही हर किसी से बनती नहीं, जो बोला मैंने करा भी मैं देता खाली धमकी नहीं। घुसे अंदर सीधा तोड़ के दरवाजे मेरे लड़के तेरे घर पे जाके मारेंगे सिर्फ घंटी नहीं। You're just a kid बेटे अभी बना मर्द नहीं, तुझ में मुझ में फर्क ये कि तुझको दिखे फर्क नहीं। ये जैसे जंगल you can call it Madagascar, ये कल के बच्चे सीखे मुझसे I'm the grand master। साथ निभाया मैंने जिसके साथ भी खाया मैंने, कितना कुछ गवाया मैंने कितना कुछ कमाया। ऐसे ही नहीं लोगों को या नाम मेरा याद, खतरनाक हूँ मैं इतना मुझसे डरे मेरा साया। Don't wanna talk नहीं ये फालतू का पास टाइम, when I record पकड़ लेता खुद से आग माइक। स्टार लाइफ नहीं मैं जी रहा ये डार्क लाइफ, ठोक दूंगा भड़वे अब दोबारा कोई आवाज आई। I do it for love जो मुझे कभी मिला नहीं, I do it for love मुझे किसी से कोई गिला नहीं। I do it for love जब तक चले मेरी nerves, which I'm loyal to the game मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं। I do it for love, yeah I do it for love, yeah I do it for love, yeah bitch I'm loyal to the game मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं।
The music and the beat was almost like
Dude.
a video game, right? Like it was like a proper video game going on, but it was
Yes.
amazing.
Mm.
Yeah, like oof. So I loved the verses a lot more than the hook. The hook felt very thanda to me, but the verses like more than made up for it. Like more than made up for it.
The
Yeah.
hook, it was okay. It wasn't bad. I do it for love. You know, the thing is,
I like the beat under the hook, but I didn't like
Ah.
the hook words. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. But I know. What do you think?
I do it
You
for
say
love,
good.
and the scratching happening in the hook that I
Ah.
really liked. But
Yeah.
I thought For Love is gonna be on the romantic track, you know. So it just literally hit me like, oh,
that
it's not.
happened to you.
Yes, I was
It
like,
is for the love, but it is for the love of the game and not
yeah,
like love.
yeah. I thought For Love, oh yeah, you know, nice romantic drop has come. So I was
Oh
waiting.
yeah, no.
Well, Jatka happened. What do you say? Tell me.
Ah.
Tell me. Tell me.
So yeah, that's what I felt. Like I felt like there was a lot of just like, you know, see wordplay to bahut acha tha, obviously. Like the whole thing was going, but was it my kind of a track? No, because iske andar bahut zyada sirf flexing ho rahi thi aur sirf ek dusre ko dikhana and like, you know, this, that, all that was going on. So it's not the kind of track that I would listen
Gangster
to again.
vibes. Huh.
Yeah, full gangster vibes were happening. So it wasn't my type, but did I enjoy listening to it while it was going on? The verses, hell yeah.
Mm.
But like I said already, that and the music was really nice. Like the way the you know the switches were happening and the way the beat was dropping and then coming back up and everything was all really nice, really nice. So
I thought the verses were really hard.
Yeah.
And honestly, the first verse was nice, but I didn't love it. And then I was really enjoying the hook. Like I said, with this I do it for love. Da, 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 da. You know, that was like vibey. And then when Tala Yunus entered with his like chop, he just went full guns blazing in, you know. And I was like, okay, he's here, he's here. And then he did some really nice name drops in his verse with, of course, that fast flow and on all that he was saying. He did that 9mm bit. He did, I mean, he of course mentioned Khana Badosh somewhere. The whole thing, whatever he did and however he was doing it was awesome. And then I really loved verse 3 because it kept the vibe and it kind of just sealed the deal of the song with
Yeah.
you know, this
Yeah.
is our message that we want to send to you. So
correct.
we do it for love. It was like you know, the song got me till the end. So yeah.
I mean, I purely listened to the song and enjoyed it because for the love, like for love. Even I felt like the full love for like, you know, and that's why like, yeah. Otherwise, normally I would not listen to the song. And like, I would
like, listen to
my
it
own,
on my gym playlist. It's a workout song for me, for sure. But you know, like the thing is with Eunice's verse right there in the middle, you're kind of just like, man,
the hook.
how does he do it every time? Like how? Because like I said the last time, he's not saying something we haven't heard before in
Yeah.
terms of theme. It's just the
Yeah.
way and the lines and the actual, andaz that it's being said in is just friggin' hell, man.
So I was really
Goosebumps.
enjoying the way how he shifts words and kind of mispronounces them. Only in the next line do you get to know
Get to
why
know.
he mispronounced it, because he was rhyming it with how it's coming, right?
Yeah.
So now that's become something which I like kind of look forward to and I really enjoy, because every time he mispronounces something, I'm like, something is coming. Like, it becomes a thing. So I really enjoyed that. Like it becomes like a little game in itself while you're listening
Yeah.
to it. So
Yeah.
maja nahi aavi kyo.
That's-
Like,
That's funny. Little Gujarati throat. Lovely. So yeah, and that beat, Joke, of course. Hells yeah. Every time I hear like scratching happening, I love it. It's just my thing.
Mhm.
It takes me back in time. So I like that little
Yes.
touch. So okay, lovely. Hopefully they will not drop anything the day I release this one. Oh, fingers crossed. But we'll see.
I wouldn't bet any money on that, because
I will bet. This time let's bet. Aaj koi gana nahi aayega, I'm telling you. And then we'll see who wins the bet. And then whoever wins the bet then has to do something the other one says they have to do.
मतलब मैंने क्या एक छोटा सा कैरेट लगाया, she's taken it to another level only. Okay, fine.
Why not? Let's play this game.
I have my faith. I have my faith in this whole universal thing that's
Oh.
happening. So yes, yeah, I think it will. I think something will drop. I'm just give it like 24 hours before and after ka leaving.
Fine.
Yeah.
Challenge accepted. I am saying it will not drop. So we
But
will see
secretly
now.
you also want,
Chalo.
na? Secretly you also want. Keh
I
lo.
mean, it's a win-win for me, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, on that note, check out Hezbollah's website. All
Thank
her
you.
awesome audio work is on there. Check it out, new shows and everything. And support the channel, mean a lot, and take care of yourselves. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Prosper.